Okay, so I've just stuck on my Scentsy warmer to just make the room smell a bit nicer while I'm tidying. This is the Midnight Copper, what would you call it, unit? I don't know, it's model style. It's really, really pretty. It needs a clean. It's had little grubby child fingers on it. I'm not actually sure what I'm warming at the moment. I think it might be black cherry bourbon. Black cherry bourbon was my favourite. It has been discontinued, so I have one that I've got open and I've got 2 backups. And I think it'll probably show up in the sale as well. I really like the vanilla cinnamon as well. That was a really nice one. And vanilla oud. This guy, vanilla oud, really good. I'm not a huge Scentsy addict. A lot of my friends are. In fact, on my friends list on Facebook, there's like, I would say probably 12 Scentsy consultants, but they're all over the city. But I only buy from 2 people specifically. But yeah, if you want a little Scentsy wax collection video, I will happily do that for you. It would be a very short one because I don't have a whole many. I don't change out my scent very often actually. I maybe change it like once every 2 weeks because I don't warm it all that often. I only use it on my days off. I don't have it in the living room. I've only got this one warmer in my house. But that is not the point of this video. The point of this video is in this drawer. And no, not my clothes. My Avon stuff is commandeering my clothes storage. So if I move my clothes, I have my sort of recruitment flyers and a bunch of perfume sample things, which I acquired for free. I restructured some. I did what we call creative ordering and managed to get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 bottles of Cherish for free, and I have about the same up here of the little black dress. And the reason I have so many, I know, crazy. The reason I have so many is because I wanted to do prizes and stuff on my group. But I need to think of a better storage because I want to put my clothes away, you know? So we're gonna take all of these flyers out and I'm gonna round up all my other recruitment flyers and I'm gonna put them in a special place. Namely this bag. Have about 1,000, 2,000 recruitment flyers. Yeah, it's a lot. And those are just the ones that are all stickered up and ready to go. I have a bunch that aren't stickered up and ready to go. I need to find another different place to put those. But for now, this is going to go under my desk. I know. I just cleared out under the desk and I'm filling it with stuff, but that stuff isn't going to be sitting there for long. So it's okay. It's okay. The other drawer that Avon calendar. It's this top one where I have a bunch of lipsticks, nail polishes, some eyeliners, an eyeshadow palette. Yeah, there's a lot of makeup and nail polish up in here, so I need to sort this out. I think I might just move everything up into this one drawer, make it easier. We'll see. We'll try it and see. There we go, it all fit really nicely up in here. So at least it's all nice and tidy. Yeah. So this is all stuff that I'm currently using for like giveaways and such like. I put them in like goodie bags and give them away as prizes. Sometimes I give them away as samples. It depends how much I like you. Huh. Anyways, other Avon-y stuff I need to tidy is leftover stock. So here we go. Some of this was order mix-ups, some of this is abandoned orders, some of these were free gifts that I got at a good rate and then no one wanted the free gift. I also tried to do some mystery bags, and by the time I did realise that no one was going to participate in a mystery bag, it was past the window of returning these things. So yeah, I just kind of need to neaten this stuff out, and yeah, so I'm going to do that right now. Have it all nice and neat. Yep, I got all those Skin So Softs for free gifts, same with the face washes, and no one wanted them, so I will probably end up working my way through them slowly myself. These guys I actually kind of picked them up really cheap or for free, and I just kind of sell them randomly in the group. I will put up a post every so often and people just snap them up. Up in there it got like body sprays, and everyone's always so interested in this scent, the Tahitian Holiday, but no one ever orders it. But yeah, there's just loads of body lotions, and in there's loads of gents sprays. That was another free gift. I picked a popular men's fragrance and was gonna offered it as a free gift. No one wanted them. And same with some like women's perfumes. They were gonna be a free gift and no one was interested. And down here is a bunch of order mistakes. There was like a gift set over Christmas. It was 8 items for £8, and someone had ordered 8. Well, she'd written the number 8 because there was 8 items. I thought she meant she wanted 8 packs, so I ordered 8 packs, and now I'm kind of stuck with all of these. I thought I could maybe sell them on over Christmas. I sold a bunch of the individual items of the packs, apart from these blackberry and vanilla shower gel, body lotion and linen sprays. There's a ton of linen sprays up there. Like underneath all these face masks all the way back is just linen sprays. And here is Roro. You gonna show them your new trick? Yeah? You gonna show everyone your new trick? Go on, show them. Go on. Clever boy. Anyways, now I just need to tidy up all the stuff on the floor. I've got a black bag. Some of this stuff I've decided to keep out for personal use. these are the next books I need to put out. I need to put the my callback slips in them. And then this will all be nice and tidy, and I need to put those bags away as well. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I will probably do some more cleaning some point soon. I need to go through my clothes drawers, get them all tidy. I still need to tackle this guy and get it sorted. So anyways, see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, you say bye-bye, Dodo? Bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. No. Bye-bye.